In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to edit a viral ranking video that has the potential to produce results like this or even this. Instead of creating ideas from scratch, the first step is finding a concept that's already proving itself in the algorithm. In this example, the goal is to make a ranking video around animals. So a quick search for something like ranking best animal moments immediately reveals what's already working. Right away, one video stands out. A ranking of the best snake moments uploaded only 2 days ago has already accumulated more than 4 million views. That's exactly the type of opportunity worth paying attention to. It's recent, it's performing exceptionally well, and most importantly, it's already proven that viewers are interested in the concept. Historical validation like this is one of the biggest indicators that an idea has real potential. Before doing anything else, watch the entire video from start to finish. Pay attention to the opening hook, the pacing, and the moments that naturally make you stop scrolling. In this case, the very first clip immediately grabs attention. Within seconds, it's obvious why it works. It creates instant tension, and even before reaching the comments, there's already a strong feeling that this opening is carrying a huge amount of the video's performance. The next step is diving into the comment section because that's where viewers tell you exactly what stood out to them. If hundreds of people keep mentioning the same clip, that's valuable information. In this case, comment after comment references the first scene. Others talk about the final clip, but the overwhelming majority keep coming back to the opening moment. That immediately confirms something important. The first clip isn't just memorable, it has already proven that it generates engagement. That opening consistently performs well across multiple uploads, making it the obvious choice for the hook. Once the strongest moments have been identified, it's time to find the original footage. A simple way to do this is by taking a screenshot of the clip and running it through a reverse image search. Tools like ImageOps work well for this because they search multiple sources across the internet to locate the original version of the footage. Sometimes the first few results aren't usable. You might find low-resolution uploads, screenshots instead of videos, or reposts with heavy compression. That's completely normal. Keep checking different sources until you locate the highest quality version available. Even if the exact original clip can't be found, that's not necessarily a problem. In many cases, you'll discover a clean 4K version with captions already burned into the video. Instead of throwing it away, simply remove the captions using an AI caption removal tool. After processing, the text disappears almost completely, leaving a clean clip that's ready to edit without distracting overlays. Once the footage is cleaned up, import everything into your editor. At this point, both the hook and any additional clips taken from the original viral video should already be sitting on the timeline. The remaining footage can then be sourced from places like TikTok, Instagram, or Reddit until you've assembled a complete set of clips that fit the structure you're aiming for. Finding those remaining clips usually takes far longer than people expect. It can easily become the most time-consuming part of the entire process. But eventually you'll end up with a complete sequence, and that's where the real strategy begins. Every clip should serve a specific emotional purpose rather than simply being entertaining on its own. The first clip should always create shock or tension. That's what stops the scroll, and in this case, it's already a proven hook that's generated millions of views elsewhere. The second clip shifts toward frustration mixed with humor, creating a completely different emotional response. Intentionally placed right after the aggressive clip, so the emotional contrast feels much stronger. That sudden shift amplifies the impact of both scenes. Next comes a clip with a strong wow factor, something visually satisfying or unexpected that keeps viewers curious about what's coming next. Finally, the video ends with a funny, slightly controversial clip that naturally encourages people to leave comments and debate what they just watched. Every position in the ranking exists for a reason. The goal isn't simply showing 5 good clips. It's taking viewers through a sequence of emotional highs and lows that keeps them engaged from beginning to end. Once the editing is finished, the real analysis begins. Rather than simply watching the final product, break down every decision that went into it. The opening hook, for example, should immediately separate itself from everything else in the shorts feed. A sharp tension sound effect can interrupt endless scrolling almost like a pattern interrupt. Someone who's been mindlessly swiping for hours suddenly hears something different, and that tiny moment is often enough to earn a few extra seconds of attention. Layering a surprised reaction immediately afterward reinforces that feeling and makes the opening even harder to ignore. The second clip pushes a completely different emotion. Instead of relying solely on the footage itself, additional edits can amplify the impact. A red screen flash emphasizes the bite, while a recognizable game sound effect adds a layer of nostalgia at the exact moment of impact. Nostalgia is an emotion that's often overlooked, but when it's used correctly, it can make otherwise ordinary moments far more memorable. Right after that tension peaks, the edit transitions into humor using exaggerated sound effects and comedic timing, creating another emotional shift before viewers have a chance to lose interest. The wholesome clip that follows serves an equally important purpose. Since viewers have just experienced tension and comedy, introducing an unexpectedly cute moment creates an even stronger emotional contrast. Simple additions like playful animations, expressive sound effects, and visual overlays all reinforce that feeling. Even small editing choices can dramatically increase how viewers emotionally respond to a scene. Interestingly, labeling the clip with something intentionally controversial, like calling an obviously adorable snake ugly, creates another layer of engagement. Viewers naturally disagree, and many feel compelled to defend the animal in the comments. Whether they're agreeing or arguing, they're still interacting with the video, and that extra engagement sends stronger signals to the algorithm. The following clip slows things down slightly, so additional visual elements help maintain retention. Adding an arrow pointing toward the action gives viewers something specific to follow, while extra on-screen text creates another reason to keep reading instead of swiping away. Small details like these might seem insignificant on their own, but together they help prevent attention from dropping during slower moments. The final clip is built almost entirely around discussion, referencing a well-known character. Even if it's intentionally inaccurate, creates instant debate. Some viewers recognize the reference immediately, others disagree completely, and both groups feel the need to comment. That kind of reaction isn't accidental. It's carefully designed engagement. The goal isn't misleading viewers. It's giving them something they naturally want to respond to. One final technique worth considering is ending the ranking before revealing the number one clip. Most creators instinctively show every position, but holding back the final reveal often produces stronger retention. Once viewers receive the full payoff, many leave immediately because there's nothing left keeping them invested. Ending at number 2 removes that drop-off, while simultaneously encouraging comments from people asking what happened to number 1. It's a surprisingly simple strategy, but one that's consistently proven to improve both retention and engagement across ranking-style videos.